Hello and welcome to Instrumentalism Online Tutorials. In this math video tutorial, we're going to solve this problem on AP. And this is word problem relating to AP and AP specifically. So we have the second term of an AP to be 15. So let's drop this formula. This will help us to work on this problem, because we have last term. Alright, so we have a plus the second term, which is 2 minus 1, d equal to is 15. So let's make this look more better. A plus 2 minus 1, that is 1, and 1 times d is d equal to 15. So let's make it equation 1 because we can't look for 2 unknown. Alright, let's continue with the equation. And the fifth is 21. Using that same formula, which is a plus n minus 1 d equal to l, we have a plus the fifth, say the fifth term, that's number of term is 5, is 21. So let's put this better. A plus 5 minus 1, that will be 4. So this will give a plus 4d equal to 21. We can still find 2 unknown. So let's make this equation 2. So this has formed a pair of simultaneous equation. We have equation 1 and equation 2. So we're going to solve equation 1 and 2. So what are the equations? We have a plus d equal to 15, and we have a plus 4d equal to 21. So what do we need to do? We want to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. You can use any method of your choice. If you're not familiar with substitution method, you can still use elimination method. Any method you feel will be convenient for you, please make sure you use that method at this point. Alright, so if I am to use elimination method here, I will have to subtract equation 1 from equation 2, and if I do that, I will have a plus a minus a, this is minus sign already, so I have a minus a, that will be 0, and if I have d minus 4d, I will have minus 3d, and this will be equal to 15 minus 21. I will have, I think that will be minus 6. Right, that's correct. So because I'm looking for d, I will divide both sides by 3, and this cancels out the coefficient of d. So if you cancel this out, 6 divided by 3 will be 2. So we've gotten the value for d. And of course, don't forget, in that question we are asked to find the common difference, and of course you notice we've gotten the common difference. You can just say therefore the common difference is 2. Or you can say the common difference d is 2. Okay, so now we want to look for the first term. You can choose any of these equations. Let's say equation 1 that has this a plus d equal to 15. So we can just substitute the value we have for d, and then we have something a plus 2 equal to 15. Right? So if I isolate these two, I will have a equal to 15 minus 2, and therefore a will be equal to, this will give us 13. So you can make conclusion that the first term, which is a, is 13. So now we've calculated for the common difference and the first term. What essentially were we asked to look for again in this question? If you look critically to the problem, you notice that you are asked also to find the, sorry, let me make it clearer. you're asked to find the sum of the first 10 terms. So how do we get the sum of the first 10 terms? Let's use this space to get that fixed. So we have to apply the formula for the sum, which is s subscript n. S subscript n. Let me fix the camera. Okay. This is equal to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So remember, we are asked to find the sum of the first 10 terms. First 10 terms, alright? So that means we have s subscript 10 equal to 10 over 2 into 2 multiplied by, what was the value we had for our a? A was 13 plus the first 10 terms, so we have 10 minus 1. That's the number of terms. And then d, we had d to be 2. Do not forget that. So what again are we supposed to do at this point? We've got to say that s subscript 10 will be equal to 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 2 times 13 is 26. Alright, this we add up to 10 minus 9, 10 minus 1 is 9, and 2 times 9 is 18. So s subscript 10 will be equal to 5 into 26 plus 18. That will give about, let's do that out, 26 plus 18. Remember that 8 plus 6 will give 14, 4 carry 1, and this will be 3 plus 1, that will be 44. Therefore, s subscript 10 will be equal to 5 multiplied by 44 will give about 220. You can as well check that. We have 44 times 5. This is 20, carry 2. This is 20 again, plus 2, 22. So this answer is correct. So that's all from me to you. Thank you very much for watching. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and also make sure you like this video, comment, and share.